Hi, I'm Josh, the Technical Director here at Refresh, and today we're going to talk about the Ohme E Pod. The E Pod is an untethered unit, meaning it doesn't have a charging cable attached. Plus, the unit is extremely compact, so it takes up little space when installed. Powered by 7.4 kilowatts, the Ohme E Pod charges at around 25 miles per hour and comes with charge scheduling capabilities. The discrete design features 3 function buttons to easily start, pause, and stop your charge. The E Pod is compatible with the Ohme app, so you can remotely manage your charge unit, all while locking features keep your unit safe and secure at all times. The E Pod comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, so you're fully covered. Our team installs EV chargers throughout Northern Ireland. We also offer flexible finance options to cover the supply and installation of your EV charge point.